everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Hello Ekta, how are you?
I am very good. Thank you for being on time. Thank you.
Sorry we are late. Welcome to IndianWikipedia.com.
Thank you so much.
So Ekta, what is keeping you busy these days now that you're not on screen?
Well, I am basically busy with my family. I was in Jammu for about 4 months. So I was with my family and I really needed this break.
Okay, so can you share few moments from your television show that you were part of earlier? Like any fun moments that you can share with your fans?
A lot of fun moments. Okay, so from Rab Se Sona Ishq, I was doing this scene where I was supposed to drown. So they created an artificial tank. So उसमें मुझे, since I can't swim, so they put a stool and they told me to stand over it and you just have to act that you're drowning and everything. और जैसे ही आपको you're out of your breath तो ऊपर आ जाना. So I was doing this thing. I was trying to swim. हाँ मैं डूब रही हूँ, and suddenly my wig came out. And I was struggling here. And then I said, I was embarrassed. पूरा unit was there and everyone just laughed and it was kind of funny for me.
Okay, one fan Ryan is saying that you're looking very beautiful, Ekta.
Thank you so much, Ryan.
Okay, so who's your best co-star till date? Like if we ask you.
So from my first show, I think Ashish, he was a great support. He's a great actor, and the way he performs, you can learn a lot by just looking at him. मतलब he's very professional. He's always into the scene. मैंने आशीष को कभी कोई फालतू बात करते हुए नहीं देखा है, and he's just into that moment. He's not an actor कि वो बात की और निकल गया और एक लाइन की और निकल गया नहीं. He's just there throughout the scene. From action to cut, he's into it. He's completely into it. तो वहाँ से मैंने dedication सीखा. Then from my second show, I was working with Sakshi ma'am. साक्षी मैम से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, मतलब पेशेंस सीखा. अगर एक्टिंग के बारे में, since I was not an actor, I'd come from a marketing background. तो साक्षी मैम, she's a wonderful human being. एक तो बहुत पेशेंट है and she's very natural. मतलब उनसे ये सीखने को मिला कि आप एक्टिंग करते हुए भी कैसे एक्टिंग नहीं कर, मतलब it's very real and it's very natural. So I learned that from her. And then in this मेरे अंगने में I learned a lot from Kritika Desai ma'am. I love her and I love her and how, she's a wonderful human being first of all, and she's very spontaneous on the set, and she's not a selfish actor जो खुद के लिए काम करती है. नहीं, वो पूरे सीन के लिए काम करती है and she's so spontaneous. वो आपको एक डल सीन को इतनी एनर्जी डाल देती है ना उसमें कि you start loving, you just start loving your scene. मतलब it's not that dull scene anymore. It's full of energy and there's so many actions going on. और वो she's not the kind जो एक जगह बैठेगी. She'll keep on moving and doing a lot of things. मतलब वो छोटी चीजें भी ऐसे सीन में निकाल देती है ना कि आपको लगता है कि यार ये कैसे हो गया. मतलब इतना ऐसा नॉर्मल सा सीन था बट कैसे उन्होंने लिफ्ट कर दिया पूरा एनर्जी, एवरीथिंग. She's a magician, I think, on screen. Yeah.
Okay, so one fan Sudhanshu is asking, hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm very good, Sudhanshu.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Rishabh Jain is asking that how are you and when are you coming back on television?
I really want to come back now, so maybe soon. Yeah.
Okay, a fan Ryan is asking that please come back soon. I have stopped watching television.
Yeah, I want to come back. I will come back.
Okay, as they really miss you on screen, I guess.
I miss working too. I really miss working too.
Okay, so can you share few secrets about your co-star that you have learned and you have not shared with anyone? As in like Kritika Desai का कुछ अगर आपको कोई secret पता है on screen या फिर off screen कुछ, like is she like मस्तीखोर, बहुत serious लगती है?
She's very मस्तीखोर. वो कैमरा के पीछे she's a very good friend और उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. I mean, उनसे मैंने सीखा कि आप दोनों अपना मतलब काम को और अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को कैसे बैलेंस कर सकते हो. She's a wonderful human being. I can't just stop talking about her. I can just keep on talking about her. I just love her.
Okay, one fan is saying that you look beautiful. Can you please share few beauty secrets with us?
Oh, thank you so much. And I think if you sleep on time, if you are happy, if you eat healthy, and you drink a lot of water, everything is sorted. You don't need anything.
Okay.
That's about it. Just be happy. I think when you're happy, it comes onto your face. You start glowing from within. So yeah, just be happy.
A fan is asking you that who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor. Television, Krutika Desai, for sure. And movies, Leonardo.
Okay, and how much do you miss television? Like,
I miss my routine. I really love my work, so I miss my routine. I miss that chaos that you have to get up early and then you have to get ready and you have to reach on the set and there is makeup, hair, and you get ready. And then you start performing and changing and you have to shoot. And since I've done 1 hour daily, so it was really it was like fighting a battle every day. So I miss it. I really miss it. I miss the chaos. I miss my work. I miss camera. I miss everything. Yeah.
Okay, a fan is asking you like, what is your hobby?
Hobbies. I like traveling. Yes, I like traveling. So I want to travel. Because time नहीं मिल पा रहा है, but yeah, I like traveling. And then I'm a rider. I ride bikes.
Okay.
So that's another passion. And then I like driving also. I like listening to music. I'm a singer. I'm a very bad singer, but I just love singing, so I can't help. I really want to avoid it, but I can't avoid it because I love singing.
Okay.
And
so
then yeah.
No, continue.
No.
Okay, so which is your favorite vacation place? Like if you want to travel somewhere.
I love London. I'm in love with the city. I'm in love with the vibe. It's just very peaceful. I love London.
Okay, and talking about your television journey, so how can you describe the entire journey, like if we say in few sentences or few words?
Okay, so if I have to describe my journey, let me just start it from zero. I was not an actor. I was spotted by someone, so it was kind of magical for me. It was. I still can't describe the feeling. I thought कि ऐसा ही कुछ है. So let's just give it a try. And then I came directly on the set. मेरा कोई workshop नहीं हुआ था. I'm not a trained actor at all. They directly put me on floor. And ऐसा normal वाला वो नहीं था. It was an outdoor for 40 days in Punjab and then 4 months in London. So for the first time when I saw the camera and I had to perform, I was completely blank. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था कि मुझे क्या करना है. मैं सिर्फ एक लाइन रीड कर रही थी. मुझे तो रिएक्ट करना है ये भी आइडिया नहीं था. So I was just looking at the camera and reading my lines and I was blank and everyone around me was blank. कि उठा तो लिया इसको पर अब क्या? क्योंकि अब तो करना ही है परफॉर्म. अब तो टेलीकास्ट भी निकालना है. अब तो एपिसोड भी करना है. So I started from there. मतलब मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. कैमरा का लुक्स कहाँ है, लाइट भी लेनी है, लाइंस भी लेना है, एक्सप्रेस भी करना है, रिएक्ट भी करना है. अगर उसमें चलना है तो चलना भी है उसमें. If you are eating something, then you have to eat it also. तो वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग था मेरे लिए. स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा स्ट्रगल किया, बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आया. और but then yes, with each show I think मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि मैंने कुछ अचीव कर लिया, but हाँ मैंने बहुत सीखा. I've really learned a lot. I've really learned it, and I'm happy about it.
Okay, so few fans are requesting if you can please sing one song for them.
I don't have a very bad singer. Why do you want to do this to me? अच्छा ठीक है, suggest me a song. I'll sing it for you.
2-3 lines if you can sing.
गाना तो बताओ ना.
लग जा गले you can sing. It's like very famous also.
हाँ, but I'm not a singer. Some other song.
चलो, we both will sing together. लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद किसी जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले. You are a wonderful singer.
Please, because I only sang to you guys. So now you have to send me gifts.
Pakka will send you. Okay, we have one fun game for you. So we'll say few English translations and you have to guess these songs. Okay, the first one goes like this. Drip drip fell the water and it kindled a fire and
Tip tip barsa pani.
amazing. Okay, the second one is little tricky. Oh, saw a girl and felt like this. Saw a girl and felt like this. Like a blooming rose, like a poet's
एक
dream.
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे.
You're very fast, yeah. Okay, the other one is day is about to end. Twilight is on the way. Let me go. I have to go.
ढल गया दिन हो गई रात जाने दो जाना है.
Oh my God! All correct. Okay, the other one is oh this night, this season, along the river bank.
ना 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 ना. ये है ना?
यही है.
रातें मौसम नदी का किनारे चंचल आवाज़ी.
Okay, the other one is what happened to your promise that vow that
क्या हुआ
believe.
तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा.
Oh my God! Our question are easy or you very fast.
I told you I like listening to songs. Yeah. And I'm
Okay.
very quick with the lyrics also. मुझे याद हो जाते हैं.
अच्छा, देखते ये वाला पता है कि नहीं. Now that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glance.
दिल
You have
मेरा
changed.
चुराया क्यों नहीं एक बार फिर से.
Now that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glance. You have changed my life, but don't change yourself, dear.
मेरा दिल चुराया नजर मत चुराना.
This one is tricky.
एक
I
बार फिर
think
से.
so.
ये
Okay,
change
now
क्या हुआ?
that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glance. You have changed my life, but don't change yourself, dear.
मेरा दिल मेरा चुराया.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को. Okay, the other one is every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun. Every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun.
कभी धूप कभी छाँव.
हाँ,
पर इसके
ये
बिना
SRK का
वाला-
फेमस सॉन्ग है.
हाँ. क्या है कभी कभी छाँव. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी.
Oh,
छाँव है
very
कभी,
nice.
कभी है धूप जिंदगी.
Okay, this one is the one. Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart?
ना 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 ना.
हाँ.
क्या समथिंग.
हाँ,
मेरे आज क्या है जो कह दूँ तो जान लूँ तो है ना कुछ ऐसे है ना.
हाँ, यही है. Okay, the last one is listen, sir, the tune of love. I have chosen you. Now you too do the same.
Listen.
Sir, the tune of love. I have chosen you. Now you do the same.
सुन रही हूँ प्यार की धुन. मैंने तुम्हें
प्यार
चुन
की
लिया.
धुन is हाँ
मैंने
यही.
तुम्हें चुन लिया तुम भी मुझे चुन 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 चुन. साइबर सुन. This was tricky.
Okay, one fan Sudhanshu is saying, whenever I watch you on television, you look the same. It's the best part about you. Thank you so much. Love you.
Thank you so much, Sudhanshu.
Okay, we have one more tricky game for you. So
I know what tricky games are.
let me see like आप guess कर पाते नहीं हो के नहीं. It's about the guess the personalities of Indian television. ठीक है? So this is the first one. Indian soap opera queen of today's time who's known for her K series. Guess the personality.
Ekta Kapoor.
Ekdam perfect. The second one is she was one of the popular characters of Indian television, now a textile minister in the government of India.
Irani. I'm sorry. Now I'm just forgetting the name. Smriti Irani. ma'am.
Yeah, perfect. So the third one is evergreen handsome hunk of Indian television who's known as TV's Amitabh Bachchan.
Karanveer Bora.
No. He
Well,
was
it could go
opposite.
at least.
He was opposite Smriti Irani only.
Sorry, I pass.
This is Ronit Roy.
Wrong.
Okay,
Sorry.
she is one of the fittest actress of Indian TV and the Choti Bahu of TV, who is currently playing a powerful character on screen.
Choti Rubina.
Yeah.
I love Rubina. Yeah. Hi.
Okay, so now that you have shared everything, can you share one favorite scene from your television show? Any show, like whichever you have.
Favorite scene.
Anything that was challenging or
frankly speaking, अभी तक मैंने जितना भी काम किया, it's been challenging only. My first show was shot in outdoor था 5 months. I was in Punjab for 2 months and then I was in London for 6 months. Challenge number 1 outdoor. Second show that I did, that was 1 hour daily telecast, Monday to Sunday. So that was again a battle, as I always say. तो challenging तो सब कुछ ही था, since I was not an actor at all. So my entire journey in the last 3 years was very challenging. But I think I can cry very easily on television, but laughing, when I have to laugh and you know, I have to make, it's not about normal smiling or something, I just have to laugh out loud. It's really difficult for me. So generally we used to tell everyone on the set कि जब जैसे ये अभी आएगा ना तो आप सब हंसेंगे, तो जब सब हंसे ना हा हा करके, तो मैं भी automatically हंसना शुरू कर देती हूँ. I think yeah, that was the
Okay, one fan Rishabh is asking that I want to send you a gift. Can you please tell me where can I send?
That's so sweet. Just keep blessing me and just keep appreciating my love. That's the best gift that you can give.
Okay. Okay, one fan is singing a song for you, and he's saying please accept it. It's आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं.
Oh, how sweet. Thank you so much.
Okay. So finally, we would like to know, like, when will audience see you back on television, Ekta?
I really want to come back now. I really want to work. So, and I'm trying hard for this. It's not easy. It's genuinely not easy. So, please pray for me. I really want to now.
Okay. And a final message for your fans?
Hi. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for appreciating my work, and thank you so much for taking out time, your valuable time for me. I might not reply to each and every message, but yes, I read them, and I am thankful to you. I'm always overwhelmed when I see your messages and comments, and when I see you appreciating everything that I do. I am there. I listen and I read to all your messages. So keep loving me. Thank you so much for your love.
And this is a lovely gift from Indian Wikimedia and Florista. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's lovely.
Eat all chocolates now. Bye, Ekta. Thank you.
Thank you so much.